Well, there's a will, there's a way, kind of beautiful. And every night has its day so magical. And if there's love in this life, there's no obstacle that can't be defeated.
And the walls kept tumbling down in the city that we love. Great clouds roll over the hills, bringing darkness from above.
Monday left me broken. Tuesday I was through with hoping. Wednesday my empty arms were open. Thursday waiting for love, waiting for love. Thank the stars it's Friday. I'm burning like a fire gone wild on Saturday. Guess I won't be coming to church on Sunday. I'll be waiting for love, waiting for love to come around.
But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like night?